Welcome to SL Baina English. I am Smulata, GM's High School, Apipeta. Okay. If you like my videos, hello. Today we are going to learn diary writing. How to write a diary. This question: see where is imagine your or imagine yourself. Underline it. After that there will be one name, okay, that is you. So change he, his or him as I, my, me. Write as it is in the question, okay. They are asking you to write, so that you also I, okay. Once again I tell you, underline imagine your or imagine yourself, okay, that is you. After imagine your or imagine yourself, the name will be there, that is you. So change he, his, him as I, my, me, okay. Write as it is in the question. The question, underline where the imagine your or imagine yourself. After imagine your or imagine yourself, there will be a name. Once again I am telling, underline imagine your or imagine yourself. Imagine your or imagine yourself. Underline that. There will be a name after that. That is you. So change he, his, him as I, my, me. Okay. Write all the passage or the question as it is in the question only by changing these. They are asking you to write, and so that you also I. Okay. Begin with date, time, place, that are in 3 lines in the left hand side. Okay. Dear diary అనేది రాయకండి, ఓకే. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్లో మనం లెటర్లో డేటు ప్లేసు వేస్తాం, కానీ డైరీలో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ డేట్, టైం, ప్లేస్ ఒక్కొక్కటి ఒక్కొక్క లైన్లో రాయండి, ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ విచ్ ఐ సెడ్, రైట్ సెకండ్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ by changing he, she, you as I, his, her or your as my, him, her or your as me, and then write third paragraph which I said, okay. If you want to write any feelings of your own, write before third paragraph only which I said, then write your name, that is after imagine yourself or imagine your, okay. Here that is Nick, and so write Nick in the left hand side, okay. I think you understood. Once again I tell all this. Underline imagine your or imagine yourself which is present in the question, okay. Underline imagine your or imagine yourself which is present in the question. After that there will be a name, that is you. So change he or she his or her, him or her, as, I, my, me. Okay, they are asking the question to write, and so that you also, I. Okay, you, I, your, my, you, me. Okay, write date, time, place in 3 lines in the left hand side. Okay, date in the first line and time in the second line, in the third line place. Okay, that is in the left hand side. Don't write dear diary. Write first paragraph which I said. Write second paragraph by changing he, she or you as I, his or her or your as my, him or her or your as me. Then write third paragraph which I said. If you want to write any feelings of your own, then write them before third paragraph. Then write which I said the third paragraph. Okay, then in the left hand side write the name which is present after imagine yourself or imagine you were. Okay, that is here Nick, and so write Nick in the left hand side. Okay, I think you understood. If you don't understand, see the video again. Okay, see the second question. We know that Mr. Narayana Murthy got a high rank in the IIT entrance test. Here underline imagine that you were. Okay, imagine that you were. After that, which name is here? Mr. Narayana Murthy. So Mr. Narayana Murthy, you are Mr. Narayana Murthy. Question here, where is imagine that you were? Underline that. After that, which name is here? Mr. Narayana Murthy, that is you. Okay, so he, his, him you should change as I, my, me. Okay, here they are asking you to write the diary, and so you, your, you also you should change as I, my, me. Okay, first paragraph I had given, second paragraph change it and write. Next third paragraph also I have given. If you want to write anything, write before the third paragraph which I said. Okay, you should write the name which is present after imagine that you were or imagine yourself. Okay, here Mr. Narayana Murthy, and so write Mr. Narayana Murthy. Okay, in the first paragraph after oh my God put exclamation mark. Okay, see this question. In the lesson what is my name, you have read how Mrs. Murthy Sarada forget her name and struggled to know her name. At last she got her name from her friend Pramila. Now imagine yourself as the housewife and write your diary on the day you came to know your name. Underline imagine yourself or imagine you were. Okay, after that there will be a name. Underline that and change as I wrote here. Okay, and then write all the question as it is only. Don't write in the lesson what is my name and you have read. Okay. After imagine yourself Sarada. So where he, she, I, his, her, my, him, her, me, you, change it to I. You have studied that Nick, being a disabled person, was teased and bullied at the mainstream school as a result. He was deeply depressed and tried to commit suicide. Imagine your Nick and write your diary entry of that day. Okay, when you are starting, underline imagine your or imagine yourself. After that, there will be a name, that is you. Okay, write date, time, place one after the other in the left hand side. Okay, in the left hand side, date in one line, time in one line, place in one line. Okay, after that, first paragraph, oh my god, put there exclamation mark, what has happened in my life, question mark, how it has happened in my life, question mark. Here, how, H capital letter, what in what, W capital letter, O capital letter. Oh my god. Okay. In the next paragraph, change he or she to I, his or her to my, him or her to me. Okay, they are asking you to write the diary, and so that you also, you only, and so I, you, I, your, my, you, me. That means you should change you to I, your to my, you to, last you to, that is object, to me. Okay. Then, third paragraph, I hope God will help me in my life. I hope God will do good to me. Okay, Nick is writing here, and so write Nick in the left hand side. Okay, which is present after imagine your or imagine yourself. That's you must write at the last of the diary. Okay. I will tell the answer here. Oh my god. Date, time, place. Next, first paragraph. Oh my god. What has happened in my life? How it has happened in my life. That is first paragraph. In second paragraph, I have studied that Nick. Don't write that. Here, Nick is I. I, being a disabled person, was teased and bullied at the mainstream school as a result. I was deeply depressed and tried to commit suicide. Okay, don't write imagine your, okay, your Nick. Then I write. I already told that if there is no subject before the verb, write I. Okay, I write my diary entry of that day. Okay, of the day and chalu. Of the day. Okay. In the third paragraph, I hope God will help me in my life. I hope God will do good to me. Okay. After all this, you should write the signature, that is the name, that is which is present after imagine your or imagine yourself. Here it is Nick, and so write Nick in the left hand side. Okay, I think you understood. We know that Mr. Narayana Murthy got a high rank in the IIT entrance test. He was ambitious of joining IIT Madras. All his dreams were shattered when his father expressed his helplessness to send Murthy IIT. Now, imagine that you are Mr. Narayan Murthy and express your feelings in the form of diary entry. Okay, this is the question. What should you write? First, date, time, place. Date in one line, time in one line, and then place in one line. After that, in fourth line, you must write the first paragraph. That is, oh my god, exclamation mark. Oh my god, exclamation mark. Next, what has happened in my life? Question mark. How it has happened? Question mark. Okay. In the second paragraph, don't write we know that Mr. Narayan. I got a high rank in the IIT entrance test. I was ambitious of joining IIT Madras. All my dreams were shattered when my father expressed restlessness to send me IIT. Okay, don't write imagine that you were Mr. Narayana Murthy. Okay, I express. Here there is no subject before the verb that is express, and so we write I express. I express my feelings in the form of diary entry. Okay, in the third paragraph, I hope God will do good to me. Okay, what's there in after imagine that you were Mr. Narayana Murthy, and so you should write the name at the end. Okay, Mr. Narayana Murthy. In the lesson what's my name, you have read how Mrs. Murthy Sarada forget her name and struggled to know her name. At last she got her name from her friend Pramila. Now imagine yourself as the housewife Sarada and write your diary on the day you came to know your name. I explained all this. Yourself as the housewife, underline that here the name is Sarada. So put I where he or she, put my where his or her, put me where him or her. Write I where there is you. Write your as my. Write you as me. Okay. Here write diary. Before that I write diary. Okay. See the answer once. I forget her name and struggle to know my name. Okay. Once again I tell. I forget my name and struggle to know my name. At last I got my name from my friend Pramila. Then you don't write now imagine yourself as the housewife. Okay. Then I write my diary on the day I came to know my name. This is second paragraph. In the first paragraph, oh my god, what has happened in my life, how it has happened. Okay, this is first paragraph. This is second paragraph which I told. Third paragraph, I hope God will do good to me. Okay, after that write the name which is present after imagine yourself. Here Sarada. So write the name Sarada in the left hand side. Okay, that's your diary writing. If you don't understand anyway, see the video again once or twice and then learn. Okay, you will get good marks if you listen and write. Okay, today it is enough. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.